My name is Elijah Matthews. I'm going to be demonstrating my Mousetrap vehicle today. I've laid out a line of tape that measures every foot all the way up to 20 feet. There's the vehicle itself. That's my notebook from what I've been taking with the Mousetrap vehicle itself. I've been taking several notes. It's going to start here. As you can see, the front wheels actually begin at 1 foot there, and that's where I started measuring out the line. But the vehicle itself is made up of a foam board to reduce the weight, and then I used the chopstick here because I liked how it tapered at the end and it made it a lot easier to tie in the fishing line. And I used the fishing line because it doesn't stretch the same way that twine does when it's under tension. There's the golf ball itself. On the rear wheels here, I've used rubber bands and tape to improve the contact that it has with the ground. So that, because most of the energy that the Mousetrap has is actually being exerted onto the rear wheels here, and you can see now that I'm starting to spin and tighten it up. It's wanting to go places. So let's give it a move on. It requires a little bit of mechanical assistance in the beginning because the tension in the string is just so tight. This is the Mousetrap vehicle moving under its own power. All right. So as you can see, the front wheels are actually sitting at about 11 feet there. Let me put my foot there. That's where 11 foot is. That's where the front wheel is right there. So I'd say about 10'8". Actually, no, that's not 11 feet. That's my bad. It's actually 12 foot. 11 foot is right here. 11 foot is right here. And this is where 12 foot is. So that vehicle has made it much farther than 10 foot. So this is the Mousetrap vehicle that I've been working on. It's underwent several different revisions, several different failures, but this is the point that it's at now.